So this is some footage that I grabbed, and it's sort of a little vlog thing that Danielle and I did last year. We went on a trip to see this amazing art installation in Columbus called Otherworld, and I cannot recommend it highly enough, as you will see. If you want to skip all of the vloggy bits and go straight to Otherworld, there's a little timestamp down below. Just go right to that and you can pass all this on by. So without further ado, here is the footage from last year's trip to Otherworld. Enjoy! So we're taking a trip to an alternate dimension, which is apparently a thing. So there's this company called Otherworld Industries. They're like this tourism company, and they apparently have perfected this technology that allows you to travel into other dimensions. And I mean, she looked it up online. It seemed pretty legit, right? Yeah, so that's where we're headed. We're on the road now. We're gonna check into a hotel and chill, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna go looking for Otherworld. I'm expecting it to get super weird, and I don't know, I guess we'll just have to see where it takes us. But thank you. This is gonna be amazing. So I can't wait. See you soon, guys. It's day 2 of our adventure. We have a little problem. Otherworld Industries is not open yet, so we have time to kill. So we've decided we're gonna go to another alternate dimension, IKEA. A dimension of Swedish meatballs and endless espresso and blonde wood furniture. Guess how many shots of espresso fit in this cup? Wow.
And it's all free.
It's so free. We're actually kind of bumming around IKEA right now because we're not hungry yet, and we want to eat the food in IKEA, and I think we're the only people that have ever said that. But I want my salmon, man. I'm a grizzly bear. Well, IKEA was awesome. IKEA's always awesome. We found all the things. All the wicker basket things. We're not doing what we were planning to do at all, but it's awesome. And we coffeed our faces off is what we did. And we are partying hard with the coffee, man. This is gonna...
We're gonna crash.
We are gonna crash. But not before we finally get our tickets stamped here for Otherworld. So we're headed to Otherworld Industries right now. We should be there in about 20 minutes. It appears that the shopping center is abandoned.
Used to be a Target.
It used to be a Target.
Oh,
it's
how
gone.
could they abandon the Target?
I know, right? Everything is empty. Well, there's a building that says Otherworld. What did we get ourselves into here? This is... Well, I guess we're gonna find out.